Good afternoon. I'm going to show you how to use Pixlr to customize your Project for Awesome logo for your video. So I've already logged into Pixlr and I'm going to launch the web application. I have already saved the Project for Awesome logo from projectforawesome.com, and I've also saved the logo from the charity that I will feature in my video. I have them saved in a folder on my desktop. So I will go Open Image. You can see that they're in my P4A folder. They're on my desktop. I will select the logo. Now, we're not using Photoshop, so we can't see the layers in the logo. And I'm going to create layers by cutting out pieces of the logo. So I highlighted the portion I want to cut out. I select Edit, and then I select Cut. And now I'm going to create a new layer and paste that portion right back onto the new layer. Paste. You can see over here in my Layers menu that this is called Layer 2. So I'm just going to drag this portion back right where it was. But for the time being, I'm going to hide it because I would like all of this part to disappear. So I'm going to go to the background layer, use my Selection Rectangle tool to select the entire background, and then use the Delete key to erase it. And now I'm going to go back to Layer 2 and turn the image back on, and you can see the image right there. So I'm going to say Deselect All just to have that stop. And now I need to open my charity image, and I'm going to open it as a new layer. So I'm going to choose Open Image as a layer. And here is my saved logo for the Harry Potter Alliance. And I select Open, and you see it's right here in the middle. So I need to use the pointer tool to drag it where I'd like it. It's not the size that I'd like it to be, so I go to Edit, Free Transform, and then you can see the bounding boxes. So I just drag it to make it the size that I want, and that looks fine. And now I would like to add the charity name here as well, though I don't necessarily have to, but I want to show you how to use the text box. So let me move the controller there. So I'm just going to write the Harry Potter Alliance, the name of my charity. I'm going to center it. I will make it a little bit larger and bold, and then I could play for a long time with the types of fonts, but I'm not going to do that now. So I'm using the pointer tool to move it where I'd like it to be, and it looks like it could still be a little larger. So I'm going to make it a little larger, and then I'll shift it back over a little bit. There, and now my logo is finished for my video. I just need to save it. So I'm going to save it as P4A logo _ HPA. And I will be sure to put it in the Project for Awesome folder I've created on my desktop. And that is how you customize the Project for Awesome logo using Pixlr.